Today is 4th March 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on this specific video on daily basis I disclose my trade plan for the next trading session, review my trades for today and disclose and share my learning and MTM position at the end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So before we get into trade plan, let's on Lalaji. Let's see what exactly happened on Nifty today. So today was the day when we had fantastic price action. Market opened up with. We knew that market will have a gap down opening, but the gap down was genuinely very deep. And market, as predicted, took support at 15,000 and then had a strong move up, and then somewhere at the closer to pivot it bear came in action and took the market down even on 15-minute chart below 28 and 50 bar and closed. So is bull came on a back foot today to hit a 6? Now that's the question which we need to answer. Now when we see a US dollar government bond, it has started going down. So today it is in red. So this is a very good sign for all the global market and specifically for India Bank Nifty. Why? Because Bank Nifty today was weak, and that was surely the impact of this government bond yield, which yesterday went high. Having said that, we see that S&P 500 now is struggling at 50 bar moving average, and here also a strong fight is happening between bull and bear. So S&P 500 currently is at very critical stage where it is showing some sign of recovery, and it has taken a support a 50-day moving average. So this is also somewhere a good sign for emerging market for us. So and when we look into dollar index, the dollar index has started going up. So this is something which is not good for a emerging market. But overall, S&P 500 and US dollar are looking quite positive, although S&P is little volatile. But we need to see in the morning where it got closed to get a confirmation on this. But as of now, it looks positive for us. Now, when we look into Nifty, Nifty on daily basis today has closed about 20, has taken a support at 15,000, which is a monthly resistance, and now it will act as a support, very strong support. And it has closed above 8 bar moving average, which is at 14,918, and definitely above 50 bar moving average. So here market Lalaji is looking in uptrend. Now Lalaji has a very strong support at 15,000, being precise at 14,980, and a very good resistance which is 15,176. I'm sorry. Now 15,176 is also closer to R1 for tomorrow. So now this also becomes a very strong resistance. Now when we look into SGX, SGX is currently at 15,195. So it is above this magical line, and now this will also act like a strong support for a Nifty if Nifty opens above 15,195. So tomorrow, let's see how the Nifty is now looking on 15-minute chart. So now 15-minute chart, Nifty has closed today below 50, below 20, below 8 and below 50 moving average. So on 15-minute chart, Nifty is looking in downtrend. So here the trend is not very clear. Weekly is uptrend, daily is uptrend, and 15-minute is showing a sign of weakness. This sign of weakness is majorly coming in second half, the fall which you have seen in HDFC Bank and the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty came down in the second half and that took the Nifty out. The Reliance is still consolidating. So if Bank Nifty starts moving up, market will go up. So this is a clear sign that bulls were today on back foot and now they are ready to hit a very big sixer. Now that's the bet which I would like to take. So tomorrow market will open somewhere here, 15,200 range. And this is where my trade plan for tomorrow is to take 15-minute breakout. If it opens on here, I'm already carrying one position of Nifty, which I'll discuss later. But follow up here, 15-minute breakout. If it's going up on the first 5 minutes confirmation candle, enter. If it's going down, then go for a short for 15,000 as a target, which is also L4 for tomorrow. Now, if for any chance market crosses 15,000, then market has another strong support at 15,900, which is also 200-day moving average and weekly resistance. But 15,000 as of now is very critical support, which will keep market in bull run. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Price action is critical. It seems like bulls are ready to hit a 6. Now, when we look into Bank Nifty almost has the same pattern. If you see what, if you see here, Bank Nifty on daily basis, I'm sorry, Bank Nifty is looking different. Bank Nifty on daily basis has closed below 20 and below 8. So here it is in downtrend. Now Bank Nifty has a strong support at 36,000 and reasonably strong resistance at 36,300 and very strong resistance at 36,766. Having said that, Bank Nifty on daily basis is in downtrend. Now when we look into 15-minute chart, we see that Bank Nifty took a support at 200 bar moving average, moved up and almost came back from a pivot, which is also closer to weekly resistance of 36,300 and closed below 58 and 20 bar moving average. So here also Bank Nifty is in downtrend. So Bank Nifty on weekly is uptrend, but daily and 15-minute is in downtrend. And now Bank Nifty has a very strong support at 36,000, which is also L4 for tomorrow. So 36, any dip towards 36,000 will become a very good buy on dip, considering that S&P 500 as well as US bond mainly is going down. So Bank Nifty tomorrow depends on where it is opening. It is very difficult to predict Bank Nifty opening, but it is buy on dip or 15-minute breakout. So that's the idea for a Bank Nifty tomorrow. So tomorrow I will play 36,200 PE or 36,300 CE. And on Nifty, I will look forward to play on 15,000 PE or 15,300 CE. So tomorrow is a very critical day. I hope we get some breakout in any direction, or we are looking for another few days of a narrow range consolidation. So let's see. So that's my trade plan. Now time to review my trade for today. So for today, my trade plan was with a full understanding that markets are in a strong bull run. I was carrying a one Bank Nifty position with me, CE position. In the morning, market went down. I still carried my position here, and on this 15 breakout, somewhere on this green bar, when it crossed uh, 35,600, I exited from this position. So here it was a very big loss. And then somewhere on this green bar, I entered and I rode the whole wave. And as per my process, on this 8 bar moving average, after 1 o'clock, I revised my stop loss. And on this red bar, I came out. And that was the end of Bank Nifty for me. Today, I went a little bit more aggressive because I was very confident about this bull return. And I also played multiple position on Nifty, where I've initially entered with 15,000 CE and then I entered with 15,300 CE. And then I carried forward some trade on this side also. So somewhere here I entered on in Bank Nifty I first tried to took a breakout here, which I failed on this green bar. So I had this particular loss, and then I exited when it crossed 15,000. And then somewhere on this green bar I entered, and then it crossed 15,000 15-minute breakout, I again entered here. Then I rode the whole wave, and somewhere on this red bar, I got exited when it crossed the 8 bar moving average. Then again, I tried to took one or two trade here, which were not very successful. And then eventually, I had a two lot here, and I decided to exit one lot on MIS and carry one lot with me from here. So I am now carrying one Nifty lot with me for 15,300 CE. So I am betting on market going up. So these are my trades, my position for today. So let me show you my first loss. So this was 12,000 loss. Then I covered up on my Bank Nifty. Then one short position I took on Bank Nifty also. Then some 15,000 C plus and 15,000 C negative, and a few trades on Reliance and HDFC and Hero MotoCorp futures I'm carrying with me. And Nifty 10th, one lot for 15,000 C is with me right now with an average price of 120. So let's see how it goes tomorrow. So what's my learning for today? My learning for today was my breakout strategy. I had two miss breakout, three miss breakout entry in last 2 days, where I'm just getting overconfident and entering. So this is exactly what happened here today with me and also in Reliance breakout. So what I should do is that after 15-minute breakout or any position when I want to take a breakout trade, I should wait for another 5-minute confirmation candle and then only enter, or maybe another confirmation candle of 15 minutes and then enter. And that could be the much safer way to enter than getting on the first breakout signal. So that's the learning. Wait for a confirmation candle on 15 minute, at least half of the candle to move out, and then only enter in the breakout direction. So that's the learning for today. I hope this discussion has added value into your trade setup and trading ideas. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. So let's see if tomorrow is the day when bulls are going to hit six. Stay healthy. Jai Hind.